Alright guys, what is going on today? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're installing a Injen colder intake on our Audi S5. So this is the one we just picked up. This is the Injen. Comes with the filter. Looks pretty straightforward, to be honest. There's our CTS inlet pipe. So this thing's gonna sit like, probably something like that, or it goes downwards like that. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. All right, so right here is the old intake. We're gonna take the old intake off. So we're gonna leave the CTS inlet pipe on. It's gonna sit going downwards. For this, it's all the Torx. There's 8 mils, and boom, the filter housing comes up pretty easy. So there's a grommet for the Injen colder intake. We gotta make sure we use that. And let's get down to it. So take out all these. These are T25 Torx. Jeez, it's pretty dirty. Look at that thing.
It's actually pretty, this is new.
That's pretty dirty looking to me, bro. What do you mean?
No, I'm saying this is, I replaced it like at 10K.
So there's the old filter box. Damn, look how dirty that is. We gotta take off this front piece right here. So for that, so you're gonna remove the latch right there, comes right off. You gotta remove this thing out of the way because there's a screw that goes for this piece right here that we gotta move. All right, so the top piece is off right there. We're gonna take off these two right here, one there, one right there, both T25s.
This one's not even screwed in.
Bruh.
I think it broke. I don't even need this anymore.
Yeah, so that's one piece down. The box is right there.
I think you just pull this out, I think.
Yeah, you guys pop it up. And then the assembly just pops right up. So that's about it. That's pretty straightforward. And there's not much to it. This is your intake. So it's going to sit basically right down there. Just don't know how that's going to get any cold air though, but thug life. So look at the instructions. It says to remove the harness and everything. I think we're going to try doing it without taking off the harness.
You don't really have to.
Yeah, we'll shove it in there. Now this piece here, this little grommet, that goes onto your AC line. See right there? It just screws right over that. So you don't have to unscrew the AC line or anything. Though I think you could. We'll find out if it's an issue with fitment. If it is, we will have to take off the AC line, but I doubt we will. Creature.
You want to put light there? You're like a child when
when the dad's asking for help.
Yeah.
And get the wrong tool with the lights and everything. Gotta shove it through, bro. If I see this thing snap, that's all you.
Literally, it's getting stuck on this.
You don't have to take off.
You don't have to take it off.
Alright, guys.
Hold on. Break it.
Alright, so we're gonna try disconnecting that, see what happens.
Break it.
Can you get it through?
That's from my headlight though.
Bro, we don't need headlights, man. Who drives with headlights?
I'll just shove it in. See what happens.
Do not try this at home or on your own car. Just giving you a warning. Anything breaks, we're gonna have to believe in you. Yeah. So it's stuck right there, you can see, and the other one's stuck on the AC line right there. We're just gonna man up and just shove it through. Just send it.
No, I'm saying I should just disconnect.
You could. Do you have a pry tool?
Maybe. You're asking questions I don't have the answers to.
I'll show you all her story. Oh man, I got the tools.
I do have the tools.
Man, start Rick Rossing himself right now.
I do have the tools to take it off.
Yeah, entree. See the red connector? You pop the red connector this way, and then you press on the red connector and unplug it.
No, it's hitting the big part though. Oh.
Alright, okay. I heard that fart. Alright, so we took off the connector. We struggled. Let's see if this even works. We took it off a little bit. Is it in now?
Fuck. I put it in the wrong spot.
And you put in the wrong hole. That's the sound of a creature, yo. The creature from the depths of hell, bro.
No, I fucked up.
My boy here put it the wrong way. You see this?
No, I put it behind the line. It's supposed to go in front of it. It's okay. Don't give me light. No, don't give me light, Bilal.
No, suffer, bro.
Thanks, Bilal. Thanks for
it came off. Okay.
I pulled out the whole thing.
Oh, there. It makes life easier.
You have to go this way.
Alright, so we got the intake in. You will have to take off the connector. You're gonna struggle for anyone attempting this. So we're gonna put the coupler right here, shove it on nice and tight.
Yeah, shove it in there.
So now we put the coupler on.
Oh, just put a 10 mil.
I did. It's smaller than 10 mil. We'll put an 8. I don't have that on me.
Alright, so now this piece is on. Now we gotta put this piece on. So grommet sits there, yeah, shove it through. Alright, we're having struggles. It seems that we can't get the intake on. Now, I think it is this piece here with the height. Okay, so what we actually had to do, so you had to take off the 10 mil underneath. So now the AC line was exposed, and we screw the grommet over it. And then we got the intake on. Then we're gonna put the intake onto the grommet. Alright, so now you just gotta play around with it. There you go. Gotta shove it through. Gotta shove the intake on. There you go. Now we gotta shove the intake piece. So to make everyone's life easier, take off the 10 mil that's on the AC line, then you put a grommet over it, then you put the coupler on the intake, then you slide the intake onto your inlet. That's how we did it, and we got it on. We struggled for at least like 15-20 minutes. So now we're putting the 10 mil that came with the intake over the grommet area, so it secures the intake down. So that piece is in, and now it's all secure. That's it. So that's the intake for the Audi S5. All right, one thing we forgot to put the red clip back in. So make sure you put the headlight cable back in. All right, so now we're putting the front piece back on. Okay, now let's start it up and let's hear how it sounds. Damn, you can hear it sucking in the air.
Yeah, I can actually hear it too.
Yeah, that actually sounds nice.
On the inside as well.
So you can hear it when you rev it. Obviously there's a rev limiter at 4,000, but still, that sounds nice. So everything is in, we revved it up and everything. Bro, I love that. It sounds so nice. And you hear that. So that is the Injen cold air intake. Now we're gonna do a quick run on the street and we're gonna see how this thing sounds. And apparently there is some power gain in this, so let's see how it goes. All right, so we're in the car. Here, send it a little bit. So that's a really light. Hear it though, it sounds pretty nice. I heard that. Now all we need, guys, is a blow off valve on this thing. There it is. Jeez. Damn, that sounds pretty nice. Now, so this is the Injen cold air intake. All right, so that was us installing the Injen cold air intake on our B9 Audi S5. We're gonna make more videos of this car in the future. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Peace out.